Morning, this is Ravi Dahia. Today we're going to talk about skincare. It's a question I get asked a lot and a very important one. Taking care of your skin is obviously a big part of remaining youthful in appearance. I think it's important for people who are pursuing surgical treatments and non-surgical treatments because, again, skin is really key. It's literally the outer layer. If our skin looks youthful and healthy, then it makes everything else look that much better. So over the years, I've used lots of different skincare lines, different companies. There are lots of them. But I always come back to Obagi. They've been around for a long time. They test their products well. Their quality control is exceptional. So I've really just kind of gravitated back towards the Obagi products over the years. You can go different ways with it. There's a whole line they have called NuDerm, which has got multiple steps for patients who are going to be compliant with it, meaning you're actually going to use all the steps. It's great. Having said that, we all know not everyone is going to stick with the plan and they want something easier. And if that's the case, there are certain things you can select out of the Obagi sort of repertoire, namely Retin-A or tretinoin prescription grade. Retin-A is fantastic. There the trick is you don't necessarily need to or should use it every day. Sometimes even just once or twice a week is enough to boost that collagen production in your skin, and that's the key to Retin-A is collagen production and skin turnover. The other sort of one piece, if you had to pick and choose just one or two components, is something with hydroquinone. If you've got some hyperpigmentation or sun damage, brown spots, red spots, which almost everyone gets at a certain point. So if you had to pick sort of two products, those would be the two out of that whole line. And I definitely notice a difference. If I meet a woman or a man who's in their 50s or 60s and they have exceptionally good skin, almost always they tell me they've done things like Retin-A over the years. And it takes time to see results, but they really work. Now, if you've got a lot of hyperpigmentation, one thing that we do that's not Obagi, that's sort of private labeled for us, is we have these medicated wipes that have a stronger concentration of hydroquinone and kojic acid, and those two together have a real nice synergy. In fact, I'm really impressed with how much they can clear up hyperpigmentation, even pretty sort of stubborn stains, if you will. Not always 100%, but really impressive results. So, there's kind of different grades of these products, but in general, Retin-A, hydroquinone, or these pads that we have, and again, specifically, I'm a big fan of the Obagi products. They just consistent quality and results. So talk to someone who really understands skin if you want to come up with a plan for yourself, and it's definitely great for your overall appearance long term. So invest in your skin. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have questions, you can reach out to our office and find other content on our YouTube channel. Thanks very much.